pins can be connected to 8051 and PIC microcontroller pin. In case of 8051 ports, 1, 2, 3 are pulled high internally and an external device will made it low. Care should be taken while connecting a push button to any of the port 0 pins of 8051. Since the uploading must be pulled high using external ports. After pressing the push button, the pin will be grounded and will read as 0. When the current flows out from an IO pin to ground through some load, the pin sources current. The pin sources current. When the current flows from the power supply through some load into the pin, it sinks current. The figure shows the 8051 pin performs an input function it has to source current. PIC devices support NPU pull-ups and push buttons can be connected between the pin and ground. PIC's pins are configured as inputs on POR power or preset. Individual IO pins can source 20 mA and sink 25 mA current. Any of the port A, port B and port C of PIC pins can source 20 mA and sinks 25 mA current. PIC IO pin can write LED directly. Similarly, 8051 pins can also drive an LED directly. Figure shows an LED driven by port pins. The PIC function is to drive the LED in output function. However, the pin sinks current when made low and LED lights up. A 220 ohms resistor limits the current to LED. If in any application it is required to light an LED when the push button is pressed. Under normal conditions, when the push button is not pressed, the port pin is internally pulled high through the wheel's internal pull-up. The LED will not light because its cathode is also high. When the push button is pressed, the port pin is grounded. Current will flow through the LED and the current emitting resistor, which will cause the LED to glow. The status of LED depends on two conditions: either the closure of push button or a low on output pin driven by the microcontroller can light up LED. Thank you.